To remove and install the battery on your RZR 200, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Next, lift up on the driver's seat latch lever at the front of the seat, and slide the seat completely forward. Then, remove the toolkit to aid in battery access. Next, remove the battery cover strap, and then the battery cover. Then, loosen the negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing, and set the cable aside. Reinstalling the fasteners into the battery posts will help prevent misplacement. Continue by loosening the positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Then, lift the battery straight up to remove from the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, inspect the battery cover gasket for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Then, clean any dirt or debris from the battery box, and reinstall the battery cover gasket. Next, install the battery by lowering straight down into the battery holder with the terminals facing the front of the vehicle. Next, reconnect the positive cable first to prevent arcing, and torque to specification. When torquing the fastener, hold the cable in place to ensure it does not move. Then, reconnect the negative cable and torque the fastener to specification. Once torqued, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Before continuing, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, reinstall the battery cover over the terminal. Then, hook the battery cover strap over the cover and onto the retention point behind the base of the battery holder. Before continuing, reinstall the toolkit behind the battery and secure it with the strap. Continue by sliding the seat back to the desired position. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.